Utie Oha Echi Ponkno. Needs FM.
Can't also the other bay deliberate sabotage or clashes.
Let me go to the clashes. You may be ACC, especially when you're on the field. It's sad. Just 2 days ago, we called Nandom. NDC for a year rally. In fact, MPP has started doing that one. I believe they will start seeing that Nimano Mawajai. Where you are doing a community engagement. Now park your car. That is where they will start bashing a tunjum, a bomb, to then disrupt the program. In fact, it's happening. In fact, Shwebai, for now, Southeast. In fact, I was there even meeting party members. The only lucky the party members had was because there's somebody from national, any region, and a man for MPP supporters to leave. Yes, idea. When you program then they come there. They just want to disrupt you from doing something in Ashanti region. In fact, posters are NDC airtare. Then some people go and remove it. I think we have gone through past these issues. Now, if you believe, you say, why you Jumabi or Ashanti region, I don't think NDC posters about our regions anymore. So, getting to Ashanti region, say, Ejumapa, John Mahama, and I'm not be surprised. Say, the MPP will say something now. They are not to me in Kasa, John Mahama, and maybe Bia Ashanti region, but just only to incite the people of Ashanti region against John Mahama. John Mahama work Ashanti region there. Apart from say, why your project one for you need to remind the people. Say, throw a man for account John Mahama. So, I can say, even I was a president, when MPP end to about Mame, we be Bia Mama come to but I believe in doing things for the sake of this country. And no every idea Keletia market. I can see the be and so we put up with the Keletia market, a ferry hospital, water project, Oko roads project, Ashanti region. Cocoa roads are Nanka Ashanti regions, just for the sake of people of Ashanti region. MPP by almost stop. So if you have the president going back to this region, it's easier for him to communicate to the people. Say, Nanka me ye project we crapo, Nanado da Roman, and to say Muya road, Mark block it. So if you go to our north, southeast, southwest, who say roads are Nanka Beya for 4 years ago, Nanka Banaka, Afe. And I already great that I go to say and these are stories you need to be told. And it is happening in Ashanti region now. The fool say, to block the NDC not to speak, not to tell our story. I am so happy. I am so happy. Advice now do the ma sene oko sene oka sembi was sene. Was say sene for move to about one way. Move to about one way. Na free my road ba ko e into munsa mama boto anado I go saka asem no meaning say Ashanti region say MPP ya to Abama MPP from 92 straight sa between there is MPP and to date MPP and timen ye puntenjuma kese John Mahama and akoye sa market in there Ketetia market Uba hospital sir. That is the message, and now the catcher say, I feel more to about. So they listen to him. Of course, Antimamo say, I tear down and now do can you know. Interfere the better about based on dear Obeya or the Puntunjuma Baye. Inciting the people, senior area, inciting. So, Boasi issue, the Amuka say, a better more $1. I don't think anybody will tell you this story. And MVP will always be smart to tell this story. So, I said, the way I say, the time of $1 could be a untiminto. Only the Tricasano. And I can't. This say a fuck can be a year. So when you see them say, about time of $1, or two, as Nana, or two auto companies. This incitement of the people will not wash. Again, then people run to Boncatamanso. What say anything, and no catch the kind of force. He. But why endorse Nanado? Because project are why after all, your SMS papa man, I want to come. Yeah, cross soup your friends and cocoa roads in any diamano. It has endorsed Nanado. Do you think any president, any candidate can go to him to go and campaign? Offer. Say, chain etiho eka kire Ghana for say. In fact, it was a timer or two for eka kire na now say why you do be a can one sem. And somebody's like a reply to him. Said Ronaldo aye juma. They are endorsing him for 4 more years. You are not talking about it. Who can one sem? The man he has the freedom. Who say oh my freedom of speech. No when you be a catcher will say me I dare me feeling who say nobody should speak about that one. I think that why is it somebody also big sema? Some people have that title. Omeka Obika any the enfata. The man is speaking is bad. Now they coach Papa and say Ukrapo unto aba mame. Anado Ukrapo unto aba mame. And if you go to areas Kokolongunde friends Aguna ebia corona be enemy free no. Of all no nim sai kro no. Pienu kro no. Odu kro Jamase. O my tie road. A corona when e kozongo no no. They cut it off. They didn't tie it till date just because they don't vote for MPP.
Jamase zongo ase una beke.
Na road talo eh. Ofa. Oh, road talo. In fact, as school die now. You see here around 2098 up to date. I'm going to school no. Today I'm talking to you. 8 years, 4 years of MPP. And this is why you have MPP for almost 24 years. And our campaign in Ashanti region, the people of Ashanti region today have accepted, say, you're too about nipa for you to bring development. And they have seen development under John Dramani Mahama. They have seen development under John Dramani Mahama. Say, what by you know, what by ye ama Santimai, ama Ghana for. Under John Dramani Mahama, a Santimai be away koko jumabia, John Mahama manifests free. I could find the buy and was it talk or Tomau. That is part of development. They will ask that questions. So that stories will be told. In the campaign, I did Ashanti region. And I'm not surprised why Akufo-Addo all the 35 buses cars echo. In fact, why you doing why you doing Ashanti? Say when you rally that, when you walk that. In fact, his life as a campaign, as an MP, he has never campaigned or you walk. This time, in fact, this Sunday, before I left Ashanti region, now with the buses, I can find from for the chrome, you walk. Every brain man, back, a friend says, so I'm run about. You can understand, say, they know, say, they didn't treat Ashanti man well. And the Tabana Swama says, they say, no, I put to Juma. And that is what John Mahama is. So when people are doing the machination, you have to two friends say, posters, you catch their Ghana for, you catch us and you say, you have a pento about, and for posters and two. A month for the John Mahama, in that Mamina, what free fear, I walk out on your cadet market. On no better about when you said, you're secret your market, you know. Where you're balling Nibia, what you have to imagine. I was at the bio when Nimati Papa, but what Messi market, a friend say, Asantibai.
Okay.
And these are messages, but that is why, and draw for the Chrome, and do an ajo. Around even 11 a.m., 11 p.m., not man for a change on Dramani Mahama or for the Chrome. That is why when you go to a friend saying, in price, so as a dawn, now man for a deny change on Dramani Mahama say, I want be yebi. Na brantem na be yebi. Into the say, yes, I say no. Who can tell me say, Professor Nana, your man motorcade, you're protected no. Because Ronaldo believes in the history of Ghana, we are getting one credible running vice president in 2021. That will be sworn in. That's why she's being protected.
Needs FM.